Well, it's sure a busy day today. The people at SDRPlay that make the SDRs, I've reviewed almost all of their products. They are announcing new software instead of the SDR Uno. This is new software. It's not quite out yet. It's multi-platform for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and Android. And if you go to this web page, I'll put a link to this down in the first comment below this video. There's a picture of what it looks like. Quite different, and hopefully easier to use. That's one of the problems with their products, is the SDR Uno software is fairly complex. There are other software like SDR Console, not as complex, that works with their products. I've showed you that. Here are some of the features, and I'm not going to go through everything in detail. I'll let you go to this page and see it. And it works on all their radios, except the first one that came out, which I have, which is the RSP1. It was replaced by the RSP1A. Has calibrated power meters and S meters. Different UI design, very different. So you can see it's going to do a lot of things. So it's going to do everything that the SDR Uno software did, plus much more, plus it'll work on different hardware. For instance, this will finally work on the Mac OS. Right there. Working on Raspberry Pi. And down here at the bottom of this article is a link to a YouTube video that they just released showing kind of in general what this software is and what it can do, that it can connect to other radios on the network. So check it out. This is going to be really interesting. Like I say, I have 3 or 4 of their models that I use all the time. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.